Let's talk about background concept about SQLI. So SQLI injection, also known as SQLI, is a common attack vector that uses malicious SQL code for backend database manipulation to access information that was not intended to be displayed, like username, password onto front page, database credential, database informations. This information may include any number of items, including sensitive company data, user list, or private customer details. So how SQL injection works? In order to run malicious SQL queries against a database server, an attacker must first find an input within the web application that is included inside of an SQL query. Let's understand this. See, let's take example. This is a website testphp.vulnweb.com. You have to find the input parameter. Okay, so I'm finding an input parameter. Let's say sign up page. There is a sign up page. Yes. So if I will sign up this they will store into their database. So obviously this will be in what? SQL query, inside of an SQL query. Now, in order for an SQL injection attack to take place, the vulnerable website needs to directly include user input within an SQL statement. An attacker can then insert a payload that will be included as part of the SQL query and run against the database server. See this. If I'm trying here the backslash, it's giving me an error that they are using double quote. Yes. Now if I'm doing double quote minus space, it's fixing. Okay. Now if I'm giving order by here, so this is a called SQLI statement. If I'm giving order by 10, see this, it's working fine, no problem. But what if I'm giving a single quote unknown column 10? So the vulnerable website needs to directly include user input within an SQL statement. So see this, my input is within an SQL statement, an attacker and it's entertaining us basically. According to my input, they are entertaining me and they are giving me the response. So this is all about the background concept about SQLI. SQLI may be union based, where union command will work. Maybe error based, where according to error we will fetch the data. Then double query based, we have to use concatenation for double query injections. Then we will see the blind boolean based, we have to find fetch data through true and false on the basis of true and false. Boolean based. Then there is also time based, blind time based SQLI. For this you have to insert a query for let's example this single quote or sleep 10, and if application will sleep, if application sleep for 10 seconds, then there is a time based SQLI. So we'll see everything one by one. I hope it's clear to you.